Hello everyone and welcome on my channel. As you can see, we are gonna make today a quirky jumping frog using paper folding. Yes, that is origami. Kids are gonna love it. You can see Vedansh and my niece Ashi, they had a blast playing with it. So let's jump in. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Vidya. I make videos on modern parenting, kid-friendly foods and kids activities. If you like my channel, then do subscribe to it and also do hit the notification bell. You can also find our stories on Instagram and Facebook at @MomIamHome. So let's start. So if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel and also do hit the like button. You can also share this video with your friends and relatives, and if you want to watch similar videos on craft and origami, I'll put their links in the description box below. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.